In this tutorial, you will learn how to isolate and to add certain sounds to your videos to make them more professional. And we're beginning right now. The number one most important thing for your video is audio, over everything else. You can even find Hollywood movies that have amateur video quality, but they still have professional audio sound. So how do we take your audio expertise to the next level? Tip number 1. Putting sound effects in to enhance your video. A video professor I once had told me, if you say red dog, then we need to see a red dog. Poor example, I thought, but I got his point. Since drones don't record audio, most drone shots and videos just have music playing in the background, or it's used during a voiceover. But we can still add sounds to our visuals to enhance our video project. Here is a drone shot taken in Vietnam with no audio recorded. What type of sound effects can we add? Well, this is simple. Here we have a busy street, so we can add in street noise. Next is a tennis court. Here we have a pool, so sounds of water. Among the palm trees, we can add tropical birds. Here we have another pool, sounds of splashing. And then we can add in ocean sounds for the ocean. Tip number 2, taking sound out. Most video already has audio recorded with it, but it just doesn't sound professional. Here is a standard shot at a beach. Notice all the sounds that you hear? I hear sounds of the ocean, birds, laughter in the background, but there's also sounds of traffic and construction going on. There's a lot of noise pollution that takes away from what I want this clip to portray. We need to get rid of some of it. If I am filming at a beach, then I want to hear beach sounds, waves, birds, shells, etc. I see a wave, I want to hear a wave. I see a bird, I want to hear a bird. I don't want to hear construction noise in the background or other noise pollution taken away from my story. So how do we do this? Well, if you're at a busy and noisy beach, you can still record your video there, but go to a quieter place to find good audio to record the sounds of the waves, birds, and any other beach sound you want to acquire. You can even create your own sound effects to enhance your video. You don't visually see the seashells, but your mind naturally correlates this sound with the ocean. Here is the same shot after we have isolated certain sounds that we want to focus on. Making a movie or a video is all about telling a story, and your audio can actually be more important than the actual video to help tell that story. Well, there you have it. My top 2 tips for creating professional audio for your video projects. Try using a variety of these techniques in your next video, and I look forward to seeing your results. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for the next James Gang tutorial.